Hello everyone, go to Google, type MobaXterm, and I will also put the link in the description to download this software. Click the first link. Now you can see there are various things that you can do from this software. Get MobaXterm now. There are two editions, free and paid. Choose whatever you like. I prefer this one, portable edition. Okay, it is downloading now. I see 88% people are watching without subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. Right click here, go to more options and extract here. Double click this and it is ready now. Maximize it. So allow it. So go to session and now you can see there are various sessions that you can do and access your server. SSH session is the most common. You can put your IP, username and port and then just click OK and you will be connected with your server. There are other settings that you can amend like this. Thank you guys. If you like the video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.